Okay folks, we're going to do something a little different this time. Everybody's made nachos. Well, this is some of that queso fresco, the crumbling cheese. And I'm going to put a few jalapenos on it. We all like jalapenos in Texas. And the other thing I'm going to do is high mountain chili seasoning and taco seasoning. It's two of my favorites. This is a taco seasoning. Sprinkle that on here. I'm going to put this on the smoke ball. Not smoke ball. The pellet grill. I get so used to using them. Okay, we're going to go and smoke this on this pellet grill till the cheese melts. Did an experiment with it in the microwave and I liked it, but I like this smoked idea a lot better. I got that from my cousin Clay. So we'll give it a little while to melt up and show you what it looks like. That is crumbly queso fresco. It isn't going to go and leave all those long strings and everything. It just pretty much melts in place. But you got this, you got your choice of the taco or chili seasonings. And the smoke from the pellet grill. Try it. You'll impress your friends.